Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Beamer here, and before I get into today's video, which is a hearing test as a matter of fact, I just want to tell you that if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. If you get to the end of the video and you enjoy it, please drop a like. It does help the channel out, and we are nearing 50 subscribers, but other than that, let's just get into this cool hearing test. Okay. Don't know what volume is good. No, just put it there.
Hello, would
No,
you
I'll
like
put it
to
in
try a
maximum.
hearing test for high-pitched sounds? Please make sure that you carry out the test under quiet conditions, without any background noise, and of course, don't forget to use enclosed headphones. Pause the video as soon as you start hearing a high-pitched sound in order to see your results.
Okay, that's very weird.
Starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, that sounds horrible. I. Oh,
Thank you very much, and please remember that results using this test cannot be regarded as clinical data.
oh, guys. I must say that I don't actually know what the point of that hearing test was. But I mean, I guess I was supposed to pause it when I could start hearing sounds. But if you could hear it where it said superhuman, which I doubt you could, unless you have superhuman hearing, obviously, then you have superhuman hearing. So, I do not have superhuman hearing. I'm going to go back to it and pause it when I start hearing it. Right there, that's where I started hearing it. Excellent. So I guess to hear the lowest frequency, that's what like bats and dogs must be able to hear, and then it's like superhuman, all the way down to just like a stone. Go doctor right now. Yeah, okay. But let me know your results, because I'm very interested to see if anyone was able to hear it up to past unbelievable. And I'm guessing no one heard it to bats and dogs like that. It must be only something bats and dogs can hear. But if you did enjoy the video, please drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and leave your video suggestions in the comments below, and just tell me what you got on this test.